My name's Kate Gordon. I'm from Columbia, South Carolina. I'm a family practitioner there. I've been here most of my life. I've been a physician for about 17 years. I see lots of musculoskeletal conditions that obviously would benefit from this chair. Personally, pretty busy as a single mom, and don't have too much time to get a weekly massage or go to a chiropractor. So this has been perfect for my schedule, because I can use it pretty much every day if I want to. Has the benefits of working on my neck, obviously the lower back as well. Added benefit of working on my feet, plantar fasciitis and that sort of thing. Even works as a inversion table, because it reclines all the way back, which I think has been a wonderful thing. So pretty much my whole family has used it so far. My mom, who has a lot of musculoskeletal conditions with osteoarthritis and hip replacement, knee replacement, and she has found some benefits as far as pain management with that. My 11-year-old has even used it and has really enjoyed it, and it's been relaxing for him as well. In my everyday professional life, I see a lot of people that would benefit from this. Classically, a lot of people look down with their jobs, and it goes against the natural curvature of their neck and makes the neck straight where it should be curved. See it with people that work at a computer a lot, see with stylists, with dental hygienists. Anybody that looks down a lot will have a reversal of that cervical curve. Seen it tons of times on x-rays. Well, this counteracts that and works basically the way a chiropractor would in realigning the neck. It also works on the muscles of the neck and massages out the spasm. So it does away with the need for medication, which is awesome, because I think we use too much medication as a society. So between that, the fact that it really intensively works on your feet all at the same time, very common complaint with people is plantar fasciitis. Get up first thing in the morning, get out of bed, and your feet are on fire. Stretching exercises help, and ice helps, but this really helps as well, because it pulls those ligaments and stretches them out mechanically. So it's a wonderful thing. Again, the inversion table aspect of this is such that it lengthens the spine and increases blood flow to the vertebrae, which is just a commonly known good way of increasing blood flow, decreasing inflammation. It's fantastic. Lower back, it works in the same way. Again, going to reinforce the normal curve of the lumbosacral spine. And throughout this whole process, it basically analyzes your individual spine and works at various pressure points that are problem areas for your personal self. Well, time management, it's really helped, because if you make an appointment for a massage, you got to make the appointment, you got to set aside the time. It's not so easy to do with a busy schedule. When it's in your house, you can do it anytime you want to. It's your leisure. You can watch TV while you're doing it. You can listen to music while you're doing it. Some of your most favorite things to do, you can do all at the same time, which saves time. Same with I used to see a chiropractor a pretty good bit. I mean, I firmly believe in everything possible besides medication to make your everyday life more productive and enjoyable and pain-free. So I love chiropractic work, but insurance doesn't always cover it. And it's, again, sometimes a time constraint. This does a lot of the things that a chiropractor typically does with the analyzation of the spine, with the adjustments, with the pressure points, and you're getting all of that in one setting. Probably my favorite setting on this is when I put the time at about 30 minutes. I do adjust to the setting 2, which is like a full body massage, and I recline it all the way back. It is wonderfully relaxing, 30 minutes at a time, maybe even 60 minutes at a time if it's been a particularly taxing day. I just found, I think I sleep better, think better, have less anxiety. I just see a lot of benefits to different medical conditions. Anxiety, really probably depression, which kind of goes hand in hand. Fibromyalgia, which would be a big thing because this works on a lot of different pressure points that people with fibromyalgia have to deal with. Definitely any sort of neck problems. Spinal stenosis. Spinal stenosis is a big problem with people with extensive osteoarthritis. Between the lengthening, the waist stretch does on this, it would be an awesome thing for somebody with spinal stenosis. Increase blood flow to the spine again, and decrease pressure on the legs. I see people with multiple musculoskeletal complaints every single day, whether it be elbow pain or neck pain that leads to migraine headaches. Tons of people that have migraine headaches, the basis of it is usually in the cervical spine. So if you can do something that again reinstitutes what the natural cervical curve is, it will decrease your incidence of migraines. Neck pain, muscle spasm. Tons of people have spasm right around in here that leads to headaches, daily headaches, and this would be a godsend to people like that. And I mean, every day seeing somebody with low back pain. There's a big push right now because of the narcotics in the United States. I mean, it's a problem, an opioid epidemic, and I really honestly think, I mean, the less we can pharmaceutically do, the more hands-on type things such as this chair, the less drain on society it's going to be with opioids, with arthritis medications that cause kidney failure, and issues with bleeding as far as ulcers. Any sort of alternative medicine, and this incorporates all of the alternative medicine to a certain extent, and in the privacy of your own home, so you can have dignity while you're having treatment, which is pretty awesome.